Well, good news, everyone. Today we're going to explore some of Ottawa State Fishing Lake in Kansas. Duke and I stayed here in mid-October 2019 for about a week. This is toward the end of the season, so some of the camping areas were closed to the public because it was hunting season. The closest big town is Minneapolis, Kansas, and the video starts off at the entrance to the recreation area. We are currently approaching the first turnoff, which actually goes to the boat launch. The lake itself is about 111 acres, and it stays full for most of the year because it's fed from two creeks. On the north side of the lake, there's a low water crossing, which is an area where the road is flooded by one of the creeks. I have a short clip of that at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. The maximum depth of the lake is about 15 feet. In the winter, the lake is covered by ice when it's below freezing. There are several areas throughout the recreation area that allows free primitive camping for up to 14 consecutive days. There are no utilities offered, no trash service. However, there are 3 sets of pit toilets in different areas around the lake. Extended stay is available with written permission from the Kansas Department of Wildlife, Parks and Tourism. You can stay up to 6 months, I believe. If you only stay the 14 days, you have to vacate the area for 5 before you can come back. I was surprised on how nice Kansas actually was. I'd probably go back there and visit again. Coming up ahead, there's actually a reservable group shelter. It's the log cabin, which is named Uncle Mike's Log Cabin. It can sleep up to 6 people for rates that start up at $60 a night. Just past the corner, we'll come up to the first pit toilet in the area that I stayed at, and also the reservable group shelter that's made of sandstone. The lake was man-made. It was constructed by a private individual. Construction started in 1927 and was completed 2 years later in 1929. When I was taking this, it was actually pretty windy. As you noticed, the trees are blowing in the wind, and so is the drone. It was kind of hard to keep the drone in the air, even low to the ground. I did try to take it over the lake the first day, but it turned right around because it was so windy, so I had to film another day. Right now we're coming up to the pit toilets, and you can also see the group shelter. Before the toilet, there's another turnoff, which is another camping area, which doesn't really have the view of the lake, but it's a grassy area that is nestled in some trees. I'll just let you finish watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. Remember, life is short. Take more detours. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And as always, thanks for watching.